So in this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how to go live on BIGO live streaming app. Now BIGO live app is actually a live streaming app. In order for you to actually go live on BIGO, you need to go to your BIGO app just like this, install it and log into your account. Right here is the home page, and this is what you're going to see once you log into your own account. Now at the bottom of the screen, you can see a video icon at the bottom of the screen. So you can go ahead and click on the video icon. So once you do that, looking here, you can see the option of go live. Now at the bottom of the screen, you can see the option of multi-guest. You can see the option of live, audio live, and game live. So you can actually go live with any of this type of So you can actually go live on BIGO with any of this type of live you choose to go live with. In order for you to actually go live, you need to select the one you want to go live with. Now let's take, for instance, you want to go live with audio live. Select it just like this and click on go live. As you can see here, I'm currently live streaming on BIGO, and you can see that people are actually joining my live stream. So this is how simple it is to basically go live on BIGO. There is no two ways about it. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now do it to hit the like button, subscribe and drop a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.